Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through my wash day. I am starting off this video with rinsing out my pre-shampoo treatment. I do already have a video on my channel about the pre-shampoo treatment that I am using. So if you want to check that out, I will link it right here for you in the cards. These products that I'm going to be using are brand new to me. So I'm going to be sharing my first impressions with you. So let's just get straight into it. Let's talk about this shampoo. It is the Faith in Nature Dragon Fruit Shampoo. They say it's revitalizing and for all hair types. The product itself is vegan. It is has biodegradable ingredients. It's made in the UK. They are proudly independent. It is cruelty-free, has no parabens, there is no CLS or CLES or silicones, so it is good for us curly girls. In terms of the directions, it says massage into wet hair, rinse well. For best results, follow up with the dragon fruit conditioner. Now I have to say, upon application of this shampoo, my hair felt instantly soft, it felt hydrated. I didn't feel any stripping at all in my hair, and I believe that's attributed to the actual dragon fruit being quite high up in the ingredients, and then glycerin as well. So this product does not strip your hair at all. It didn't strip my hair, so my hair felt totally soft upon application. So it is a winner for me so far. So let's talk about the conditioner. It has all of the same claims as the shampoo. So no CLS or parabens. It is cruelty-free and vegan. And the packaging is 100% recyclable. You get a 300ml tub of the conditioner, which is decent size. In terms of how to use the product, it says to shampoo your hair as you would normally. It says to apply the mask to wet hair, leave on for 3 to 20 minutes, rinse with warm water for detangled, nourished hair. Now, upon application, I can say that it went onto my hair quite easily. I didn't have any issues working it through. As you can see, you can use it to detangle if you detangle your hair at the deep conditioning step of your wash day. So this product is all round good. In terms of the ingredients, it has some good ingredients in the top 5. So it has cetyl alcohol, it has coconut oil, glycerin, shea butter. So all of those things are going to make your hair feel moisturized and nourished and hydrated. So definitely a good product linked with the shampoo. My curls are looking amazing. But that is the end of today's wash day video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Take care.